Why are parrot eggs so hard to find? What makes them so special? Let's dive into the world of these incredible little eggs. Parrot eggs aren't just ordinary eggs. Each species lays eggs with different shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are pure white, others have a soft tint. And get this, parrot parents are super protective, often hiding their nests in deep tree hollows. That's why finding parrot eggs in the wild is so rare. These eggs hold the secret to tiny, colorful parrots waiting to burst into life. Isn't that amazing? If you love learning cool bird facts, don't forget to subscribe for more.